Want to ride the meme coin wave without staring at charts all day? Here's how to copy trade meme coins using NovaBot in 2025. First, sign up or log into your NovaBot account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the Marketplace tab and browse top performing traders focused on meme coins. Look for consistent results, not just hype. Tap Copy Trader next to the one you like, then customize your allocation, how much you want to invest, and risk controls. NovaBot handles the rest, automatically mirroring every trade that trader makes in real time. You can monitor your portfolio under the My Trades section, pause copying anytime, or switch to a new trader if needed. NovaBot also offers filters like coin type, profit ratio, and strategy to help you find traders focused on Pepe, Doge, and other trending coins. It's the easiest way to join meme coin trading without doing it manually. Just remember, crypto is volatile, so only invest what you're willing to lose.